Hey everyone, Todd here from Honestly Yum, and today I'm joined by Karen, of course. How's it going?
Good.
We got a cocktail for you today. We're gonna be making an Amaretto Sour with Aquafaba. Really excited about this. I'm gonna try to blow your mind.
Okay.
About this cocktail.
Really hyping this cocktail up.
I'm hyping it up. But we're gonna be spicing it up with some fresh ingredients and some interesting techniques because we're also gonna be adding Aquafaba to our Amaretto Sour. Aquafaba really just means bean water. So it's just like the reserved cooking liquid from cooking beans, chickpeas, that kind of a thing. And it actually has the same properties as egg whites when it comes to the structure. So like the carbohydrates and the proteins in egg whites are mimicked in Aquafaba. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna build it in a shaker.
Okay.
We're gonna add our Amaretto. That is an almond liqueur, for those that don't know.
Okay.
And we're gonna have 1.5 ounces of Amaretto. Now, traditional Amaretto sours are often 2 ounces, even more of Amaretto. We're cutting that a little bit and add it right in your mixing glass. It's kind of a guilty pleasure for me. It's one of the reasons I want to do this drink.
I kind of like it.
It's better the way we're doing it, and we're not making it as sweet. But yeah, Amaretto's not bad. Next, we're cutting the Amaretto with 3/4 ounces of bourbon. Something high proof is good to really cut through that sweetness. Actually, stumbled upon this recipe a while back. A bartender in Portland named Jeffrey Morgenthaler put it on his website, and it kind of really caught my eye as a way to modernize the Amaretto Sour.
So the Amaretto Sour typically doesn't have bourbon in it, or it does?
Typically does not. Usually, traditionally, it would be made by a bunch of Amaretto and sour mix out of a bottle.
So really sweet.
Really sweet, not very interesting. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the lemon juice.
Okay, 1 whole lemon?
Yes, yeah, squeeze it right on in there. And then we're gonna need just a teaspoon of rich simple syrup.
Okay.
So not only does that help sweeten it a little bit because we cut some of that Amaretto and added a lot of bourbon, but it also adds a little bit, since it's a rich simple syrup, a 2-to-1 simple syrup, it adds a little bit of that texture too. And lastly, we are doing the Aquafaba. So, like I said, it's just the reserved cooking liquid from cooking beans. We're using a chickpea one, actually right out of a can. I just strained it out, and there you have it. It kind of looks like egg whites. We need a full ounce of that, just like we would add the egg white normally in a sour. Next, we are gonna dry shake this. So dry shaking just means shaking without ice. And it kind of starts the process of agitating the egg white and getting it nice and frothy. That can just be done for 10 seconds. I'll do that part for you. It's not necessary to dry shake, but like I said, it kind of gets the process going before you add the ice in. 10 seconds or so for that, and then we want to add ice to our shaker.
So you shake it more?
We shake it more, and this should be a good hard shake. You want to do it?
Sure.
You got it?
I think. Do I have to like keep it closed together, or will it should stay closed?
I think I hit it pretty hard for you, but you know, no problem here. All right.
Okay.
Perfect. That was about 30 seconds. Oh yeah, that's nice and frothy. Well done. And we want to double strain into a old-fashioned glass over new ice.
Okay. And why the double strain? Just to make sure
it just gives that consistent texture. No chunks of ice fall in and mess up your foam.
This is crazy. It looks like an egg white.
Yeah. That looks so beautiful. And we're just gonna garnish it with a lemon peel and a cherry. There you go. And unfortunately, I had a pregnant lady make a cocktail for me, so I have to
do the honors of drinking it, and I just need to enjoy vicariously through you.
I'll give it a taste. Oh man.
Good.
Well done. You can make a Amaretto Sour for me anytime.
I will. I will.